Hello.
Okay, so here we go. This past Sunday, pulled the gigmobile out of the garage. We got a foot of snow the previous Sunday. 78 degrees on Friday. And weird weather. But for the most part, the snow's gone. And don't expect much else. It'll get cold, but it won't get too far below freezing, really. So what I'm doing today is working on putting a Garmin Zumo on the bike. Oops. Yeah, this looks pretty good. Okay. So I previously put this thing on here. Come on. There we go. Is this which is a mount which is going to help me out a lot this year. There we go. Yeah, so this is the mount for the Garmin Zumo. Alright, so here's the Garmin turning on. Careful not to squeeze the Garmin. That was bad. So you can look at the maps. The lady assured me that was a 2007 Police Road King on the graphic there. Maybe not. I don't know. Who knows? And but this has some cool features here. I mean, look at, you can find campgrounds, national park, trendy places. I think you can look up breweries. Crazy. We'll see here. Let's see if we can get to. So here's all the campgrounds within, I guess, about 5 miles of here, and then you can just make it, program it to go. But there's also a way, and this is not it, but there's also a way, that you can sort of pick your route based on how quick it is or how windy it is, Here we go. Yeah, so you got adventure. You can choose the adventure route. Quickest, shortest, most practical probably is this one. So kind of interesting. I think I might be using that at least on here. But this is really something that I'm going to be testing. I'm sure the first few rides are going to be all about testing this thing. But I'm sure all summer is going to be having to do with testing. So if you are interested in getting a Garmin, or kind of thinking about it, I will give my thoughts on it. I'm sure I won't use every single capability that this thing has, but It can be wired into the, back to the battery onto the tank, and it'll be interesting. It'll be interesting. The cool thing about it is it does have maps already preloaded in there, so I don't know how far out in the woods I'm going to get, if I'm going to lose signal. But if you do, that's one thing about the Garmin, is that it just has the maps on there. I'll try to keep whoever needs it apprised of how this thing is working.